Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Outhouse Jewellery, a luxury brand offering everything from statement rings to designer bags. Their style is described as bold and avant-garde, which is usually a polite way of saying you'll need a lot of confidence to pull this off. But the big question remains, is this website actually legit or just another shiny digital trap? Let's find out together. On the positive side, their social media presence is massive, with over 230,000 followers on Instagram alone. Because as we all know, if enough people hit a follow button, it's basically impossible for anything to go wrong, right? They're also active on Facebook and LinkedIn, which is a great sign of transparency in a world of digital shadows. Next, we check the brains behind the operation. The founders, Kabia and Sasha Gruel, are actually identifiable people with real LinkedIn profiles. It's always a refreshing change when a brand isn't run by a mysterious algorithm or a ghost. They also make it incredibly easy to reach them, providing an email, a phone number, a physical address, and even a WhatsApp chat option. They've basically invited you to haunt them if your order goes sideways. Plus, they have actual offline stores you can visit, just in case you still remember how to interact with humans in the physical world. That's always a reassuring sign for any brand. However, let's be honest, no brand is perfect. When we went hunting for user reviews, we found a bit of a ghost town. There's almost nothing on Trustpilot or Reddit, and Facebook only has a handful of comments. While some customers are handing out 5-star ratings like candy, others have reported poor customer service and post-purchase headaches. It seems your experience really depends on which way the wind is blowing that day. So, here's the bottom line. Outhouse Jewellery appears to be a legitimate brand with real founders and physical stores. But with such limited and mixed feedback, your shopping trip could be a total masterpiece or a bit of a gamble. That's it for today.